Certainly. Tom Kha Gai, also known as Thai coconut chicken soup, is a delightful and flavorful dish. Let me share some insights and recipes with you. Best ever Tom Kha Gai soup. This recipe combines creamy coconut milk, tender chicken, mushrooms, and fragrant herbs. It's Whole30, paleo, and vegan-friendly. The secret ingredient? Lemongrass. It adds a unique twist to the traditional recipe. 1. Check out the detailed recipe and cooking instructions. Classic Tom Kha Gai, sauté thin strips of chicken in oil until they turn white. In a pot, bring coconut milk and water to a boil. Add ginger, fish sauce, lime juice, cayenne powder, and turmeric. Simmer until the chicken is cooked, then sprinkle with scallions and fresh cilantro. 2. Here's a simple version you can try. Authentic Tom Kha Gai. Start by simmering water, or broth, with lemongrass, lime leaves, galangal, and Thai pepper. Add chicken and cook for 5 minutes, then lower the heat and add mushrooms, fish sauce, and coconut milk. 3. This recipe captures the true Thai flavors. Quick and convenient Tom Kha Gai, creamy, rich, and ready in under 30 minutes. Coconut milk, chicken, and mushrooms form the base, creating a savory and sweet soup. Try this recipe for busy weeknight dinners. Remember, each recipe has its own twist, so feel free to choose the one that suits your taste buds. Enjoy your Tom Kha Gai adventure. Pot of food herb.